This is not right.
My brother, your boss, is not here. It's just us. And now, I need you to teach me how to sing. I need you to do that my sister always talks about.
Sam.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. And this is not come everywhere. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Andrew. Where is Jacob?
Sir.
Okay. Clean the other car. Let me know when he arrives. And get my luggage from the car.
Yeah, yes, I've seen it. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a lifesaver. Thank you. I really do appreciate. Yes, exactly 10 million. I will. Trust me, I will. Okay, thank you. All right, bye. Oh my goodness. I'm pregnant. How can I be pregnant? But okay, I pushed him. It just happened. I couldn't have been pregnant. Sinead, who's pregnant?
Happy birthday, sis.
Sinead, you're pregnant.
I didn't say, wait, I was pregnant. Wait, I'm not! Sinead! You're pregnant. I'm not!
Hey!
I am not!
Sinead!
Happy birthday to my beautiful baby sister.
No, it's her. Happy birthday, man.
Good girl. Come. Come on, why acting like this is just... fight with your elder sisters?
No.
So what's going on?
Baby. Chineke is pregnant. Chineke is pregnant. No, Chineke.
No, it's not pregnancy. What? It was just...
How dare you?
Big bros, please take it easy on her. If you continue like this, we might end up organizing a funeral instead of birthday.
It is better.
Please.
It is better.
Please, I am sorry, please. You people should just allow me to go. I swear, I will just run away. I'll run away and I won't come back. I swear.
Go!
Please.
Run away! Chineke, I am so disappointed in you. I sent you to one of the best schools in the world. You have not even stayed up to 6 months there. And this is the degree you want to give me. This is the degree you want to give me.
No, I said move. Here. Come there.
Who got you pregnant? Who got you pregnant?
Please.
Yes, baby. Open her legs. Open her legs, everyone.
You must tell us who got you pregnant.
Please, let me just go.
Shut up!
What is it now? What's going on?
Chineke is pregnant.
Jesus Christ. Are you serious?
Serious? I heard this with my own ear. She's pregnant.
I beg. I don't follow you for this kind of gossip, I beg. Please.
Where are you going to now?
I beg.
See why they give gist to. I don't blame you. Let me carry myself come with you. Okay? Shh. There's no script. Hey! As you file like a customer.
This guy's not picking our calls. Anyway, I'll see her before I leave with Oga. It's just a birthday wish. Anyway. Driver, move your car now. Why are you driving like this now?
Calm down. I don't go hit somebody. Because if I hit somebody now, I only run, it go wrong.
That's why you're driving like this. Okay, next time I go, what make I book you? Because I don't understand this you're driving.
I feel run the way I feel run now.
Oh yeah, no vex. Oh yeah, just the driver. I go still book you next time. Now that one will make you run fast. Please, I'm late. Thank you. Get everything I want delivered to person.
It's useless driver. Move your car now. What is just there at the waste person time? Useless Lagos drivers. So they waste time every time.
Bros, move your car now.
And these useless Lagos drivers, I don't know what they worry them. Just they waste person time anyhow.
It's okay. Just go. I'm almost late, please.
Yes, sir.
Try and find a way of leaving these guys back.
God, Jeko. This one when you come full loaded like this, blessing today go steal. Full package. God, Jeko, this one you don't come buy anyone for us. God, Jeko.
Someone get up.
Oh yeah, I go run for you anyhow. Andrew, what's up? You two know the take I see what they happen for this couple. See Jacob and Chile they run parallel for this couple.
Wait. Now because Jacob will buy something for Chile. Wait, no buy anything for Chile.
What did they do? So may I carry money go buy gifts for person who already get money. If you misbehave for this couple.
Guy, I did since I talk and bad. Because of cake. Jacob and Chile don't run something. You don't know David, you don't know our boss David. You want Oga David go kill. Guy, you bad though.
So as I tell you what will happen for this couple as the chief security of this couple, I know they understand what I tell you. Now another thing. Get out from here. This time go come out. You need orientation.
Oh, here he comes. The handsome Jacob. Welcome. Good morning, Jacob. How are you doing? I hope you slept well. Of course. You're fine. I can see you got your future wife a beautiful birthday present.
No.
Oh, that's so thoughtful and beautiful of you. Great. Huh?
No, I just thought to get her this for her birthday.
I shall reward you. Yes. I shall reward you. How about a Benz? Oh no, G-Wagon. And I shall give you the sum of 200 million naira. Or I'll make it 400 million. 400 million is better. And how the 5-bedroom duplex somewhere around VI and Ikoyi. You need to step up. You need to upgrade. And you stop driving me around town. No! You don't need that shady driving business. That's so belittling of who you are now. You need to step up. Jacob, I appreciate you. I'm so grateful for proving how much of a man you are on my sister.
Jacob, you got Chineye pregnant. It wasn't Jacob. Word. I will shut that thing you call him out.
Please, can we all stop?
I don't know what happened. I didn't get her
No,
presents.
Jacob, it's fine. It's fine. Just admit it, okay? Every young man out there craving to be our in-law. You're so lucky because we love you.
We love you
Yes.
so much, and you make an amazing brother-in-law.
Of course. Oh, look at you. All sweaty. Look at your hat. Panting.
No, it's because I'm nervous.
Amaka.
Yes.
Assemble all the male staff. I want to see them.
Okay.
And you, sir, stay here.
Wahala o. So who you go dey suspect for this kind thing now? I dey suspect Andrew. I don't understand. Andrew, my boyfriend. But wetin be wrong now? Why you do like that now? How you ask me who I dey suspect? I beg. I no dey like. Stop am now. Why you go dey call my guy name like that now? But how come a whole Chineye no know that belle? Like how? Don't worry. It's not the same show. But I dey suspect that guy is Sam. I dey suspect him. The way he follow boss sister for back. That guy a bad guy. I dey red but forget that thing. You no fit do am. You not playing the game, no fit do am. You Sam, you no fit do am. But why she no want tell us about that? Because me, I want to know. My ear don't even scratch. I won't hear her. Now she talk fast to me. I want to hear it. She fine like that.
David, Chineye is my heart.
Just shut that thing you call a mouth. Just shut it!
David!
Shut your mouth! This happened right under your nose. Under your watch. You couldn't look after her. She got pregnant right under this roof. And you call yourself a big sister. Kelechi, I am so disappointed in you. Utterly disappointed in you. All of you. What were you thinking? How did you let that happen? How? What exactly were you thinking? What were you doing? Guess what? You are not going to shame me. None of you! None of you will. None of you can. Mark it. Just shut up. Shut up.
I want to know who amongst you got my kid sister pregnant. I shall reward the person with a house, a car, and 100 million naira cash to start a good life with my sister. Of course, you know I love her so much. So the person involved is not going to lack anything at all. I will gladly welcome him into our family. So I want to know.
Sir, I don't understand.
Chineye here hardly leaves the house. Surprisingly, Chineye here is pregnant. So I want to know who amongst you got her pregnant. And like I said, it's a promise. I am going to give the person 100 million naira cash to start a good life with my beautiful sister here. So I want to know.
Okay. You mean her?
Sam.
Absolutely, I do.
Is it you?
But, madam, why you say you don't know who give you banana? Okay. If what you talk, na true say you go reward the person We give her the bellevue money. Now me do am.
Are you mad? Sam, you must be a fool.
This clown here is lying. He can't be the one. Hello, Dr. Williams. I need you in my house this minute. It is very urgent. We need you here as soon as possible. Okay.
How you conceive Andrew for me? I trust my man so much. I trust him very much. I beg. Hey? You see the tomato? I don't know. Shut up now. Shut up. Stay boy. Sorry. And this was still Sam. I don't stay Sam. That guy. Shut up. Sorry. Don't catch us now. Yeah, sorry. It's your first time. You're not going to leave Sam alone. I feel like Sam. That guy.
Chine, why don't you tell me the truth? I'm your best friend. You know, the deed has been done. I promise to protect you. Please.
Dr. Williams is going to be here shortly to ascertain the paternity of Chineye's pregnancy.
The test results show none of them is responsible for the pregnancy. They are all negative.
Thank God though.
Doctor, what? Chinenye.
It's alright. Doctor, thank you.
You're welcome. I think I should be on my way now.
Alright.
Thank you.
Wait. You defiled my sister. How dare you lay those godforsaken cast-iron fingers on my sister? Have you no fear? After all I have done for you, this is how you choose to pay me back. By the time I am done with you, if you hear Chinenye in your next word, you will run without looking back. Did you get me? Scorpion!
Boss.
Crush his bones!
But the question is, who owns that child? And it's like a mystery, don't know what to believe in. This is so strange, and I'm trying hard not to believe that the child is not mine. Looking at it from a layman's corner, I am responsible, no doubt. But what's going on? This whole thing is messing with my head. But the question is, who owns the child? Because it's impossible to say the child's not mine. Hey, but the question is, who owns the child? Hey, I don't want to believe the child's not mine. No, no.
Boss, how did you get in?
Instincts. That is how I found the little mud house.
Boss.
How did he escape this? Huh? Because everything in me, everything that breathes in me said you got my kid sister pregnant. But what I do not comprehend is the outcome of the result. Like, really, Jacob?
Boss.
For the very first time in a long, very, very, very long time, I have doubts. But do not think for 1 second that I'm going to let you off the hook, because I am watching you. Jacob, I am watching you.
Where are you coming from?
See, I don't want to hear anything, okay? I'm not in the mood for any talk. It's just...
That's true. But you see, you have to stop hating that poor guy. Please. He's a human. Come on, he's a human being like us.
Maybe you're right, okay? Just... Has she confessed yet?
Not yet. She hasn't said anything.
You are leaving this country to Brooklyn first thing tomorrow morning. You are going to be there until you put to bed. Till then, I do not want to have any business to do with you.
Oh my goodness.
And thank you very much for this show of shame. I appreciate it. I'm grateful.
Please.
Your passport is downstairs.
No, please, I don't want to go to Brooklyn! Please! I don't want to go to... Hey! If I ever hear you open that thing you call a mouth to speak.
Jesse, please, take it easy.
I will pull that thing inside your womb out with my bare hands. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Look at me. I aged you with 15 years. 15 solid years. Not once have I gotten myself into this mess that you're into. Look at your sister. Look at Amaka. Look at me. Look at us. You just turned 21. 21 for crying out loud.
Please, Casey, take it easy, please. Take it easy on her. Come.
I don't want to go to Brooklyn. You have to talk to them. I don't want to go to Brooklyn.
No, I don't want to leave this country. Please. I will be very important for you. I know you've entered a very big journey. Don't worry, I will visit you. No, please. You have to stop crying. I will not be fine. I love you. I love you too, but you have to talk to them. I can't live without them. I'm not leaving this country. I don't want to go to Brooklyn.
Finally. Right now, I'm actually in the airport.
Such a big move. They don't listen. I don't understand.
Hello, boss. Yes. Oh, I'm on my way. No, I'm not sleeping, boss. I'm actually on my way. Yes.
Yeah, I'm late. Dave. Come on, you know, you're always punctual. Sorry, man, the traffic. You came alone?
Yes. Let me see.
Sure. Good stuff.
It was nice doing business with you.
Sure. Thank you, bro. Hey! Not so fast. I've always desired this. I mean, hey. You're wealthy? What do you want to say? Your father betrayed my father.
Jones.
Come off this. Damn the loyalty. Damn the friendship. See, I've always desired to have my revenge. And this night, I will.
Jones. Wait first. Okay. What do you want? Any amount, name it. I am ready.
Shut the fuck up. What do you want to say? That my father betrayed your father? Is that what you want to say? Come on, bro, this is business. Yes, this is business. And tonight, you're going down. Yes, you're going down.
Jones, come on, just calm down. Let's settle this amicably.
Brother,
please.
You can't run away from my bullet this night. Get the fucking down. Go down!
Jones.
I said go down.
Jones.
Down! Out!
Damn it. Jones. How did you get out from the car?
I sneaked out without anybody noticing, sir.
Damn. Bro, you saved me. Thank you so much. You're good. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you. Just go.
You okay, boss?
Yes, I will be fine. Just go.
All right, thank you, boss.
Damn, I thought he was gonna shoot me.
Listen, this afternoon, as the chief security officer of this company, I deserve to know what you change and what you not change. What you supposed to let me know so that I can know what to go out and what they come in and what you know change, so I can give account as the chief security of this company. Alright? I don't see any complaints, anything. If not, you see my other side. What's the concern, Misha?
No traces? Good job. Jacob, have you done this once? Alright, let's go.
Jones. Good sad news.
What news?
Jones is dead. The police found his corpse. I guess someone killed him.
Jones.
Yes, now the same dubious guy I told you about is coming close to our sister. The one I don't even like, but I guess they killed him because of his greedy nature, just like his father. But I don't wish him dead anyway.
Okay. I will find out if this is true. Jacob, let's go.
But the question is, who owns the child? And it's like a mystery, don't know what to believe in. This is so strange, and I'm trying hard not to believe that the child is not mine. Looking at it from a layman's corner, I am responsible, no doubt. But what's going on? This whole thing is messing with my head. But the question is, who owns the child? Because it's impossible to say the child's not mine. But the question is, who owns the child?
Hello?
I don't want to believe the child's not mine. No, no.
Casey, since when is Chine returning back to Nigeria? It's over 6 months now. That's not the case, but she needs to come home. She needs to be with her family, and we are the family. I never say she's coming, but she has to be home. Please. That's not the point. You know that she will speak at the right time. Eh? Yes, she wishes. So she has to come back home. Thank you. Alright, bye.
You followed me home?
Jacob. I have missed you so much. Tell me you don't miss me.
That child is not mine. Why did you lie?
Do you have any woman in your life now?
That child is not mine. You lied.
Oh, come on, Jacob. If I had said the truth, you know you wouldn't have been alive by now. Moreover, we didn't get the opportunity to talk.
Yeah, but the medical...
Oh, medical what? Ellie is yours. Your baby. Ellie is your baby. Our baby. Jacob. What's that? What's that? What's that?
I don't know. Boss.
So, my sister is not at home.
Yeah.
But somehow, just somehow, her fragrance smells heavily right here.
I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her since the welcome party. The last time I saw her was at home.
A sound warning. If I ever see you stand or speak to my sister, I will make your miserable life a living hell. But trust me, I will. Get it?
Yes, boss. Don't do that again.
Jacob, I have longed to see your face. They got everything from me, especially getting to talk with you, and that broke me the most. My sister, she strongly believes Ellie is yours.
You're back to put my life at risk again. You know what I mean.
I know, but you know...
I don't know anything. I don't. I'm just a poor man. I'm just poor Jacob who's a driver in your father's house. I have no class, no background, nothing. I could be killed, I could be put in a dungeon and nobody would hear my voice and nobody would care. I'm not even up to the least person in your family. So stop nursing feelings for me. Don't come back looking for me. Your brother might like me, but he won't spare me. And your sister, she would kill me if she found out. We're from two different worlds. Our backgrounds are different. And all this, everything you see, that's still you, that's still yours. I own nothing. So what do you want from me?
Thinking about you, because I can't figure out what's going on with you. But I found out that Satan, this is me and you today. I got you and I know you got me too. This is so amazing. So I'm gonna live happy ever after with you. I'm so excited. After all, after everything, it's gonna be me and you. We gonna live happy ever after. Me loving you and you loving me too. And I'm here to stay forever with you, my lady. I went through hell thinking about you, because I can't figure out what's going on with you. But after all that said and done, this is me and you today. I got you and I know you got me too.
Don't let anyone bully you.
Sure.
Sure?
Yes.
Be careful.
Hello, my baby girl.
And someone good morning.
Good morning. How was the night?
How can I know how my night was? If I hope you slept well.
Oh my God. Okay. I hope you slept well, madam.
Yes.
Thank you. You ready to go?
Yes.
I'm great.
Where is your ball? Your little toy?
It's here, so I'll go. If I'm going to pick it up.
Okay. So, would you want me to walk you out?
No. Uncle Jack will be outside waiting for me.
Okay. So you be careful at school, please.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Careful.
Bye-bye.
Careful.
Okay.
Love you. Bye.
Uncle Jack, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Ellie. How are you?
Is there any way we can beat the traffic? That's if I'm late to school.
Yes, we can.
Andrew always talk me in the traffic. He's driving, he's always bored. I'm horrible.
But Uncle Andrew is a good driver, just like you. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's go now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, let me open it.
You are staring.
No, Miss Ellie.
What is the matter? Tell me. Say it. You know you're not my friend.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with Sally. Nothing's the matter.
Oh yeah. I remembered. My mom said you have been working with us long time ago. How is that show?
She said that?
Yeah, before I was even born.
Yeah, she's right actually. It's true.
Do you have any child?
Miss Ali, we're almost at school, so I think you should put yourself together. Make sure you have all your things in your bag, okay? So.
Why do you change the matter?
Shopping mall? Restaurant? Boutique? Yeah?
Really good to see you after such a long time. Yeah, that's what Americans do. Yeah, right. So, how's work? Oh, well, I can't complain. The consignment from Mexico just came in. So I will be done with clearing by end of the month. And we will dispose them into the markets as soon as possible. Yes, amazing. Yes. I think you've been good as well. You've done a very well job. Yeah. See.
Well. Today, do you have something to eat? You cannot keep denying this, Chine. He is not the father.
Gosh, wait a minute. Then what are you people doing? In the beach? In the cafe? He visits you and all of that. The pictures are there.
Is he not a family friend? He is a monster. He is a bloody monster who wanted to kill your elder brother David. So this is what you've been hiding, huh? This is what you've been hiding. The father of Aline. David, Chineye cannot be trusted with the company.
Fine. Do I look like I care? Of course I don't. But what I want to have you do is to push me into accepting what is untrue about my life. Haven't you tried enough? What did you get in return? Nothing. Do not push me any further because I will not spill anything. If you think you're going to push me to say something, then trust me when I say that you all are delusional.
Kelechi, please, you need to join your husband. Don't start this fight now, please.
Man of the house, aren't you going to say anything? You cannot continue to breed the offspring of a man that tries to kill you.
You have refused to tell me what the matter is, and I don't want to believe you had a rift with your little sister.
It's nothing, it's just family business, that's all.
So you say you always kept your family stuff to yourself. Who am I to bother?
You're not the father of Benin. We will not know who the father is.
Jay. Jay.
Boss. Jacob, please sit. Jacob, you know you are one of the oldest staff I have here. I mean, the domestic staff. And you've become more or less a family member. Jacob, do you think Jones is Ellie's father? Your answer is I have no idea. Oh, you can go. Thank you.
But the question is, who owns that child? It's like a mystery, don't know what to believe anymore. That is so strange, and I'm trying hard not to believe that the child is not mine. Looking at it from a layman's corner, I am responsible, no doubt. But what's going on? This whole thing is messing with my head. But the question is, who owns the child? Because it's impossible to say the child's not mine. Hey. But the question is, who owns the child? Hey, I don't want to believe the child's not mine.
Please bring her, bring her. Doctor! Doctor!
Hurry!
Doctor, what is wrong with my baby? What happened? Can you just talk to me? What happened to my baby?
Calm down, she'll be alright. No need to panic, okay?
Tell me exactly what happens to her. Jacob!
Fainted on my brother here. I called your brother.
Oh my goodness. Mama. It's okay. Mommy is here, okay? Doctor, please talk to me. Is my daughter going to be okay? Please.
Please calm down. Trust me, she'll be fine. Yes.
Doctor, you're sure she'll be fine?
Trust me. Everything's okay. Let's go.
See, that's a genetic illness. Okay, we do not have such. There are no traces of anemia in our lineage.
Kelechi, we know. Yes, and we won't watch Ellen die just like that.
You're not getting me. You don't understand. I'm just trying to state the facts here, okay? That's all I'm doing.
You're not stating any facts. You are not making a point. Any medical condition requires blood transfusion, and none of our bloods are matching it. This is real. We can't watch her. We can't just bury our own flesh and blood. It's not done.
Gosh. I'm just trying to make a point. Why do you think my blood is going to make any difference? Why do you think that? It is not match.
Our blood did not match. Okay? We probably need to go find Jones's relation to help come save their daughter's life. Maybe
Shut up! Shut up! Just shut up!
Truth hurts, right? But someone has to speak!
Calm down. Just calm down, please. My daughter must not die. Ellen must not die. Ellen must not die! My daughter can't die! She can't just die!
Ivy. You don't know what happened. You know what happened for this company. The truth we had how many years ago for this company don't finally come aside. I don't understand. I don't shoot. You see this guy? You see what this guy big so not if he had under his steps. See, you don't know the person. If you want to talk to me, talk to me. Wait here, why you come at me? See, you can tell you. How many years we are able to move for this place? What it concern many years? How many 10 years? What is so? You remember that many years ago where Oga come here and you come inside? We call the asshole say me and you give Chine Edo. I don't forget that guy incident. Now also waiting so the thing we say the truth will not finally come aside. The truth we say the person will be responsible for Chine Edo pregnancy don't finally know the person. Are you serious? I would like for you. No. Person will be responsible for the baby. Now, Oga does. Are you serious? Serious now. When they breathe in and out onto this place every time, they come in and out. So it's them breathing the air. Oga Jones said they came for near language. Yes, sir. As the matter be now, say, small early day for hospital, they hospitalized now. They find to give her blood. And now, they don't check everybody blood, nobody blood, they walk, they bless everybody blood, they walk. And now they don't go meet Joe's family, they carry the blood, they put for Chile, they don't see anybody. But they give her a name blood. As I talk to you now, if guests not taking it, small elephant poof. Are you serious? Yes, sir. And now, what I'm saying, please don't blow. Chile, open and not sympathy. Now which kind of talk now? You have no sympathy. Then mind what you talk for this compound. I know follow you talk. Which kind of nonsense talk now? So it's not probably giving an ethics. That no be so my mama take teach me. Now breeze blow fire and show. Which one be panty? You have no sympathy. Now the same thing I tell you now. Can let you blow Chile and open with sympathy. Yeah, go. I better go. No, talk to me. Let me do out to take come give information myself.
Just check my blood, okay? Check my blood to see if it's a match. That's why we're here. We can't wait. We can't wait anything.
If it doesn't match, then you must do all you can to save my needs. All you can. I will pay. That's not a problem.
I think we already have a donor.
What?
Huh?
A donor?
Yes, and it is a perfect match.
Doctor, who could that be?
Thank you so much for coming through. No, allow our daughter to die. I want you to know that I love you so much.
His daughter?
Chine.
I always knew that Jacob here was Ellen's biological father. My instinct was right.
Chinenye?
Ellie is my flesh and blood. Jones was never her father.
Yes, that's true. Jacob is the father of my daughter. I've always known that John's intentions weren't clear. They weren't pure. Each time he comes to Brooklyn, he always wants to take me out. He always wants us to go to the beach, the theater, go on a date. I heard.
Amaka, what?
Yes, I'm aware. That was the reason why I never believed what you said about James and Chiney.
Hey! So, fine, you people kept me in the dark for almost a decade. Really? Huh, Amaka? Really?
I actually didn't want to be involved in this game. Yes, the game you played with Dr. Williams here. Or you think I didn't know that you gave him 10 million naira not to reveal who the biological father of Ellen was?
I know it's against my profession, but I just want to bear my heart. I wasn't just a family doctor to your late parents. We were friends. In extension, both of us are friends. I beg you, please, do not harm the young man. I beg you.
Doctor, Jacob saved my life a few months ago. I would have been dead, gone, and probably forgotten. That singular act would weigh me down if I tried to waste him for his actions. Besides, I love the young man. He's very loyal, hardworking, and diligent. I promise I will not hurt him. I will not do anything to harm him. However, I shall keep this to myself and watch how things will play out.
And what if Chineye decides to marry him?
Well, till then. But one thing I'm sure of is I will not stop her from making her own choices.
See, you are a very understanding man. Thank you very much for saving my profession and for listening to my plea. I am truly grateful.
Yeah. I will be married.
Yeah, welcome. You're welcome.
Was that why Dr. Williams refused when I offered? He told you?
Yes, he did. Immediately he left for Brooklyn.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my God. David, really? Amaka?
Kelechi, that's fine. At least you know now. Jacob, I expected this. I know you love Ellen as a daughter, and as a father, you will do anything and everything to make sure she's alive. Just like any of us here. We would all do the same thing, right?
Yes, I love Ellen. I love her so much. She reminds me of my mother. And I couldn't bear to watch her die the same way I watched my mother die. I'm sorry I didn't tell any of you. Chineye was scared. When I wanted to talk, she was scared that something bad would happen to me because I was just a common driver and nobody. No class, no background, nothing. And it would be unthinkable for someone like me to be your in-law. How much more love your sister? Yeah.
I love you so much. And nothing is gonna stop that.
I love you too.
I went through hell thinking about you, because I can't figure out what's going on with you. But after all that said and done, this is me and you today. I got you and I know you got me too. This is so amazing. So I'm gonna live happy ever after with you. I'm so excited. After all, after everything, it's gonna be me and you. We gonna live happy ever.
Thank you, big bro.
Loving you and you loving me too. I'm here to stay forever.
So you are my father.
Yes, Miss Ellen.
Thank you for saving me. I was about to die and you came to save. But in my heart, to be my father, and you will always be my father.
Well, I'm happy to have you as my daughter. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Jacob, there won't be any need for you to continue working for us. Because you're getting married to my sister, our last one. I will have my account officer transfer the sum of 100 million to your account.
Yes!
So all I want to do is to get married to your sister, that's all.
And you cannot marry my sister without us getting involved. You're not just getting married to anyone, you're getting married to Chinenye Madako, daughter of Chief Augustine Madako, my father. So I am stepping in.
Thank you, sir.
I went through hell thinking about you, because I can't figure out what's going on with you. But after all that said and done, this is me and you today. I got you and I know you got me too. This is so amazing. So I'm gonna live happy ever after with you. I'm so excited. After all, after everything, it's gonna be me and you. We gonna live happy ever after. Me loving you and you loving me too. And I'm here to stay forever with you, my lady. I went through hell thinking about you, because I can't figure out what's going on with you. But after all that said and done, this is me and you today. I got you and I know you got me too. This is so amazing. So I'm gonna live happy ever after with you. I'm so excited. After all, after everything, it's gonna be me and you. We gonna live happy ever after. Me loving you and you loving me too. And I'm here to stay forever with you.